हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल द वे टुवर्ड्स केमिस्ट्री। आज हम सम नेम रिएक्शन डिस्कस करने वाले हैं जिसमें कार्बोकैटायन इंटरमीडिएट इन्वॉल्व है। फर्स्ट रिएक्शन वैगनर मार्विन रीअरेंजमेंट। इन दिस रिएक्शन अल्कोहल कन्वर्ट इनटू एंड substituted product in which first alcohol received H plus from acid, then convert into an carbocation and carbocation rearrangement occur as such as possible। और जैसे कि 1 डिग्री से 2 डिग्री, 2 डिग्री से 3 डिग्री, और प्राइमरी से बेंजाइलिक कार्बोकैटायन और 3 डिग्री कार्बोकैटायन, जितना पॉसिबल हो सके स्टेबल कार्बोकैटायन उतना रीअरेंजमेंट होगा। तो फर्स्ट रिएक्शन वैगनर मार्विन रीअरेंजमेंट। सेकेंड रिएक्शन देखते हैं, डेमजेनफ रीअरेंजमेंट। इन दिस रिएक्शन अल्काइल अमीन और अमीन convert into alkyl diazonium salt, then it convert into carbocation after removal of N2, and the carbocation formed is rearrangement occur or is undergo rearrangement as such as possible। फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं, अमीन RCH2 CH2 NH2, RCH2 plus is a primary amine, primary carbocation. It convert or it rearrangement to form 2 degree carbocation, and then again attack of nucleophile and form water। If water is not present, then वर्कअप करने के बाद ये अल्कोहल ही फॉर्म होगा। Here water is come from reaction first in the conversion of amine to diazonium salt, water is removed and this water became nucleophile and attack the carbocation and form alcohol। Third reaction, dienone-phenol rearrangement. It occurs in presence of acid and convert dienone to phenol। Important note for dienone-phenol rearrangement. If a dienone contain fused ring system or dienone have fused ring system and its para position contain an alkyl group, then if it is occur in aqueous solvent or dienone-phenol rearrangement occur in aqueous solvent, then meta product is formed, and if it is occur in non-aqueous solvent, then para product is occur। And this is the mechanism of this reaction producing meta product and para product। Fourth rearrangement is pinnacle-pinnacolone rearrangement। Pinnacle is 1,2-diol and pinnacolone is a rearranged ketone। Pinnacle-pinnacolone rearrangement occur by this mechanism, and this is the migratory order of different group. Migratory order of hydrogen is more than phenyl group, then alkyl group. Alkyl group having electron rich have a more migratory aptitude or order। 3 degree alkyl group, 2 degree, 1 degree, or 3 degree alkyl group have a more migratory order than 2 degree, then 1 degree। And the migration does not change. In migration does not change the stereochemistry of migratory group or migrating group, and the migration occur as such as possible to form higher stable or higher stabilized carbocation। This is pinnacle rearrangement। फर्स्ट H plus or first H plus received first H plus received by that OH which after removal form stable carbocation. If this OH group is removed, then 3-degree carbocation formed. If this OH is removed, then it is also formed 3-degree carbocation. But here the carbocation form is more stable because of 6 alpha H. But here the carbocation form, although it is 3-degree carbocation, but alpha H is 3, only 3 alpha H. So this OH can protonated first and removed after removed forming the carbocation, and the carbocation formed is undergo rearrangement to form further stabilized carbocation. This is more stable carbocation than this carbocation because of alpha effect of of oxygen, giving lone pair to this carbocation and make more stable and produce pinacolone product. Now, semi-pinacolone rearrangement. Semi-pinacolone rearrangement is semi टाइप, मतलब पिनाकोलन रीअरेंजमेंट की तरह. पिनाकोलन रीअरेंजमेंट में रिएक्टेंट में दोनों OH ग्रुप 1,2 डायल, मतलब एडजेसेंट पोजीशन में दोनों एडजेसेंट कार्बन को दो OH ग्रुप अटैच्ड था. लेकिन सेमी पिनाकोलर रीअरेंजमेंट में 1 OH ग्रुप in addition to और 1,2 पोजीशन में 1 OH ग्रुप एंड ए गुड लिविंग ग्रुप जो कि NH2, I2 etc. NH2 became good living group in presence of HNO2. HNO2 is formed by mixture of NaNO2 and HCl. And in presence of HNO2, NH2 convert into N2 plus and N2 after removal forming a carbocation. And this carbocation undergo rearrangement to form more stable carbocation and producing product. This is semi-pinacolone. Semi-pinacolone rearrangement में 1,2 डायल रिएक्टेंट नहीं होता है. इसमें 1,2 पोजीशन में OH के साथ साथ एक गुड लिविंग ग्रुप प्रेजेंट होता है. जैसे कि यदि आयोडीन प्रेजेंट होता तो इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ AgNO3 I माइनस बिकेम गुड लिविंग ग्रुप बिकॉज I से रिएक्शन करने के बाद AgI फॉर्म होता है जो कि एक स्टेबल कंपाउंड होता है. इसलिए एक कार्बोकेटाइन के रिजल्ट कर. तो इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ AgNO3 हालोजन I मतलब आयोडीन ब्रोमीन कुछ भी became a good living group and after removal it form a carbocation. 6 reaction Baeyer-Villiger oxidation BVO. In presence of it occurs in presence of paracid per acid metachloroperbenzoic acid और per acetic acid और H2O2 carriage acid H2SO5. In Baeyer-Villiger oxidation, a trick helps to form or helps to make a product easily. Oxygen is added to this side of carbon having more migratory order. In Baeyer-Villiger oxidation is occur and ketone became ester, aldehyde became carboxylic acid, diketone became anhydride. But to which side we can add oxygen? This trick is help to find product. देखिए दिस कीटोन में कार्बन के साथ एक CH3 ग्रुप अटैच्ड है. सो CH3 ग्रुप इज ए डोनेटिंग ग्रुप. सो इन दिस कार्बन इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच एज कम्पेयर टू दिस कार्बन के साथ 2 हाइड्रोजन अटैच्ड है लेकिन For this carbon, one CH3 group and one hydrogen group, and CH3 group is electron donating group, so this carbon has more electron density, so migratory order is more for electron rich carbon, so this carbon has higher migratory order, so oxygen is insert in between this carbon or in between these two carbon, and the product is this ester. So oxygen is added or oxygen is inserted to that side of carbon that have higher migratory order. Let us consider this diketone. Phenyl group has higher migratory order than alkyl group, but this is a diketone, so diketone form anhydride and oxygen is insert in between two carbonyl group. देखते हैं bare villager oxidation of benzaldehyde form benzoic acid because hydrogen have more migratory order than carbon. Now इस कॉम्प्लेक्स में CN group is a electron withdrawing group, so in this carbon the electron density is less, so migratory order for this carbon is maximum, so oxygen is inserted in between these two carbon and the product became this. Now Beckmann rearrangement, seventh reaction. In Beckmann rearrangement, NH insertion occur as PBO rearrangement. So like this, in Beckmann rearrangement, NH insertion occur to that side that have high migratory order, similar to bare villager oxidation. देखते हैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल बेकमैन रीअरेंजमेंट occur in presence of reagent PCl5 POCl3 associated H2SO or HCl or in presence of Lewis acid or simple and agents of acid. In this compound, if undergo Beckmann rearrangement occurs in case of oxime, and NH insertion occur for that side that have high migratory aptitude. This bone has higher migratory order than ethyl group, so NH insertion occur in between these two carbons. Now in this case the migratory order of hydrogen is more as compared to ethyl group, so NH insertion occur in between this carbon and hydrogen, so the product became PHCONHH, that is NH2. Eighth reaction, Beckmann fragmentation. Beckmann rearrangement and Beckmann fragmentation में डिफरेंस ये है, जो Beckmann fragmentation में कार्बोकैटायन फॉर्म होता है वो स्टेबल कार्बोकैटायन. देखते हैं कैसे. This oxime form carbocation that is 3-degree carbocation, and which is more stable carbocation. Because of this, it undergo Beckmann fragmentation and form this carbocation, and after the addition of base or PCl5 presence में Cl minus is a good nucleophile, so Cl minus अटैक करने के बाद प्रोडक्ट ये फॉर्म हो जाएगा. So Beckmann fragmentation occur when carbocation formed is more stable, that is 3-degree, or any group that stabilize carbocation by resonance. In this case, Beckmann fragmentation occur. Beckmann rearrangement is occur when there is no stabilized carbocation formed and the NH insertion occur to that carbon which has high migratory order. Last reaction, sketch layer adventization. In this process, carbon system, tricyclic carbon system form Edmonton system which is more stable, and these are unstable or less stable system, and these are stable Edmonton system. In presence of heat, these tricyclic carbon system convert to Edmonton system, and these Edmonton system are more stable as compared to the cyclic carbon system. So these are the name reaction that involve carbocation intermediate. First is Wagner-Maroni rearrangement, second is Demjanov rearrangement, third is dinon-phenol rearrangement that is occur in presence of acid. Demjanov rearrangement occur in presence of NO2 or NaNO2 plus HCl. डायन रीअरेंजमेंट एक इम्पोर्टेंट है जो कि इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ एक डाइफिनोल rearrangement form meta product, and in presence of non-aqueous solvent it form para product. Fourth one is pinnacle rearrangement. Pinnacle is 1,2-diol. After rearrangement formant pinnacle that is ketone. Fifth one is semi-pinnacle rearrangement. सेमीपिनाकुलर रीअरेंजमेंट में 1,2 पोजीशन में 1 OH ग्रुप के साथ साथ एक गुड लिविंग ग्रुप प्रेजेंट होता है. उसके बाद बेयर विलेजर ऑक्सीडेशन ऑकर्स इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ पार एसिड लाइक मेटाक्लोरोपारबेंजोइक एसिड, पार एसिटिक एसिड, H2O2, कैरोज एसिड H2SO5. In बेयर विलेजर ऑक्सीडेशन कीटोन फॉर्म ester, aldehyde convert to carboxylic acid, diketone convert to anhydride. Seventh one is Beckmann rearrangement. Beckmann rearrangement occur in presence of Lewis acid or simply acid, or in presence of PCl5, POCl3, SOCl2, etc. In Beckmann rearrangement, NH insertion occur to that side that have high migratory order. Then Beckmann fragmentation. Beckmann fragmentation occur when more stable or stable carbocation is formed during the reaction. Last is sketch layer adventization. In presence of heat, cyclic carbon system converted into Edmonton system. So now complete the name reaction involving carbocation intermediate. Thank you.